Alright guys, so you just heard this thing go off. Now let's get a close-up of the SRN. Because I wanted to show you something interesting that Tyler Noe from Morning Sirens Michigan discovered when he visited this Siren. We're going to walk up close and show you what that is. First off, here you got the siren itself. This is a Federal Signal 2001 SRN. So here you got your control box. I apologize if the sunlight's blocking. Which says 2001 DC. Now, DC stands for first generation, also stands for first generation SRN, so it must have hooked up that kind of control box to this siren. But I don't believe this was ever a DC. So anyways, there's your battery box, and I'm gonna get a view of it from this side because the sun is blocking it from that side. So here's the lights. You can't really see it, but it's turned on. That strobe is an indicator that the siren went off. So now it's gonna stay on for a while. I'm not sure how long, but yeah. So it's a good thing to know for people who inspect the siren. And up there's some satellite dishes. Whatever that thing is called. Then you got the head itself, all the way up there. It's just cloudy so you could see more. But yeah, here's a look at the siren head from the front. And you can see it's not SRN because it's got the small logo on the motor cover. But there's looking up. Now here's what's interesting. If we follow the pipe from the breaker switch all the way to here, you can see that this is an old relay. Now this relay is what 2T22s used, so I have a theory that at some point this siren was a 2T22, but I'm not sure. It used to be a custom gray SRN before it got replaced with a regular one. But I think before that was a 2T22. I don't know for sure because there's no like old documentation, you know, proving what type of siren this used to be, or like a, you know, like a plan to install a kind of siren here. But yeah, looks like if we follow this pipe, it goes right into this like shed. Not sure what's in here though, but yeah, guys, that might be proof that this siren used to be a 2T22. Really cool film back then. Of course, you didn't really have high quality cameras back then, but yeah. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this siren going off. Finally got a tripod take of it, and it should be uploaded on YouTube either tonight or sometime this week. So that's gonna be it.